this is a further math topic. Here we are using substitution to find a new equation. So in this case we have x square plus x minus x equals to 0, and it has roots alpha and beta. We have to find an equation related to the given equation. So the new equation has roots 3 alpha minus 1 and 3 beta minus 1. Since there is a new variable involved, we can say z is equals to 3 alpha minus 1 or z is equals to 3 beta minus 1. Since alpha and beta are the roots of given equation, so these are basically x values. So x is either equals to alpha or it is equals to beta. We can replace x in the relation here. So z equals to 3 times of x minus 1. This gives you x equals to z plus 1 over 3. We have to substitute this in the original equation. So it's z plus 1 over 3 square plus z plus 1 over 3 minus 6 is equals to 0. This gives you z square plus 2z plus 1 over 9 plus z plus 1 over 3 minus 6 equals to 0. We'll take LCM, so it's 9. It gives you z square plus 2z plus 1 plus 3 times of z plus 3 minus 6 times 9 is 54 equals to 0. So the new required equation is z square plus 5z minus 50 equals to 0. Now we should check whether the condition is fulfilled or not. So the original equation x square plus x minus 6 equals to 0 has roots. So we can find out roots using factorization. So it's x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. We'll take x common. So this is x plus 3 and minus 2 is common. X plus 3 equals to 0. So it's x plus 3 times x minus 2 equals to 0. So the roots of the given equations are actually minus 3 and x equals to plus 2. Now we factorize our new equation. So the new equation has roots. If we factorize it, so z square plus 10z minus 5z minus 50 equals to 0. If we take z common, is z plus 10 minus 5 is common, z plus 10 equals to 0. That means z plus 10 and z minus 5 equals to 0. So the roots of the new equation are z equals to minus 10 or z equals to 5. Let's just check their relation. So roots of the given equation, we should multiply it by 3 and minus 1, which gives us minus 10, and when we multiply 2 by 3 minus 1, we get minus 5, and these are the roots of our new equation.